Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is autumn and I'm going to be cooking one of my favorite autumn dishes, which is pumpkin fritters. So for this recipe, you need to have a pumpkin, of course. You need some wholemeal flour. You also need some oats flour. That is this one that I'm going to be blending in here to make it fine. And you need some spices. So we got here allspice, mixed spice, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla flavor essence, and you need about 2 teaspoons baking powder, and of course you need some water. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's get the oats blend up and jump straight into this video. So okay guys, I have boiled my pumpkin and I'm going to mash about half of it. And if you want, you could use sugar, preferable brown sugar, or it's optional. Pumpkin is very sweet, so you don't need sugar if not. And I've also finished blending my oats meal. So I'm going to be mashing half of the pumpkin now. And any pumpkin or squash could do. So just about half, I'm not going to be making a lot today. You can also blend it if you prefer to blend it as well. Now I'm going to be adding the oatmeal, the wholemeal oats, the wholemeal, the wheat. Now I'm going to be adding the oats meal, or just the oats flour that I blended. I'll just add half cup. I don't want too much. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of sugar. If you don't want it sweet, you don't have to add sugar. You could use maple syrup. God, this is a lot of sugar. I'll just add about a half of cup. And taste it. If it's sweet enough, I'll leave it like that. Now I'm going to be adding the baking powder. About 2 teaspoons. Add some cinnamon and some allspice. some ground mixed spices, and some nutmeg. Now I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or vanilla flavor. And then I'm going to taste it and see how it tastes. If it tastes nice, I'll leave it like that. If not, I'll add some more sugar. And then when I return, we're going to be frying them. It actually tastes good. I'm going to blend it a little bit because I can still see some lumps in here. I'm going to blend it to a smooth batter. So now I'm going to be blending the batter. And I'm going to be adding some leftover water from the pumpkin. So guys, with this leftover pumpkin, I'm going to be making a pumpkin pie. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload it, that you'll be the first to see it. And don't forget, if you're liking this video, make sure you like, subscribe, you turn on that notification bell, very important, and you leave your comment down below and let me know if you're going to try it. Okay, now we're going to be frying the pumpkin fritters. And guys, these ones are banana fritters. Let me know as well if you're interested in showing how to make these as well. Okay, so for frying these, we're going to use some coconut oil. So I'm going to start off with at least 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And I'm using this brand, but you could use any brand that you choose. When they start to get holes like this, Then you know it's time to give them a turn. I'm going to lower the stove a bit. Okay, these set are finished. Have some tissue to just drain out the oil, and we're going to fry some more. I think I'm going to make them a bit bigger this time. And guys, that's my last one, and I'm happy. I'm dancing because you need patience if you're going to fry a lot of those things. So stay tuned to see how I decorate them.